Learn Gujarati adverbs fast, as a rule to at most with
સામાન્ય રીતે
and.
વધુમાં વધુ.
Welcome, brave language detective. You are about to chase 8 sneaky little phrases through English and Gujarati, and yes, some of them are so similar they wear fake mustaches. Let's make them unforgettable. Today you will learn how to say as a rule, mostly, predominantly, largely, in many cases, in the majority of cases, exceptionally, and at most in Gujarati. Your key phrases are
સામાન્ય રીતે, મોટા ભાગે, મુખ્યત્વે, ઘણા કેસોમાં, મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં, અપવાદ રૂપે,
and.
વધુમાં વધુ.
Yes.
મોટા ભાગે.
Does double duty for both mostly and largely. It is the overachiever of the group. Your core words today. First, let's meet the stars of the show one by one. Say them out loud with me, even if your cat looks concerned. As a rule is
સામાન્ય રીતે.
think, the normal way, the usual pattern. Mostly is
મોટા ભાગે.
it means most of the time or for the most part. Predominantly is
મુખ્યત્વે.
this sounds a bit more formal, like the main part dominates. Largely is also
મોટા ભાગે.
same useful helper, different English context. In many cases is
ઘણા કેસોમાં.
in the majority of cases is
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં.
long phrase but very logical. Exceptionally is
અપવાદ રૂપે.
this is for rare exceptions. At most is
વધુમાં વધુ.
this sets the upper limit, the ceiling, the final cookie. Tragic but useful. A tiny story with a giant memory. Now you will hear a short funny scene. Listen for the Gujarati phrases and connect them to the meaning. Ravi runs the world's least predictable snack shop, which is funny because
સામાન્ય રીતે.
he claims everything is perfectly organized. He says, I
મોટા ભાગે.
sell tea and biscuits. Then he points proudly to a shelf that is
મુખ્યત્વે.
mango pickle. In many situations, or
ઘણા કેસોમાં.
his customers leave happy. In the majority of situations,
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં.
they also leave confused. One day,
અપવાદ રૂપે.
Ravi opens early. A customer asks, how many lattice can I buy? Ravi says,
વધુમાં વધુ.
3. The customer nods, buys 2, and then spends 10 minutes arguing like a philosopher about whether 2 is secretly almost 3. Compare the tricky twins. Some of these words are cousins, and 2 of them are practically twins borrowing each other's shoes. Let's sort them out clearly. Use.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
For usual routine, as a rule, she wakes up early. Use.
મોટા ભાગે.
For mostly or largely, the work is
મોટા ભાગે.
finished. Use.
મુખ્યત્વે.
When one part clearly dominates, the discussion was
મુખ્યત્વે.
about history. Use.
ઘણા કેસોમાં.
When something is true in many examples. Use.
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં.
When you want to sound more precise, not just many, but most. Use.
અપવાદ રૂપે.
When something is unusual or happens as an exception. Use.
વધુમાં વધુ.
When you set a maximum number, time, or amount. Mini dialogues you can steal immediately. Here are quick spoken lines you can actually use. Borrow them shamelessly. Languages love recycling. A. Do you usually walk to work? B.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
Yes. A. Are the shops open on Sunday? B.
મોટા ભાગે.
Yes. A. Was the crowd mixed? B. It was.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Students. A. Is the project done? B.
મોટા ભાગે.
A. Does practice help? B.
ઘણા કેસોમાં.
Absolutely. A. Does this method work? B.
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં.
Yes. A. Are you open today? B.
અપવાદ રૂપે.
Yes. A. How many guests can I bring? B.
વધુમાં વધુ.
4. Not 4.5. We are not stacking people. Quick memory tricks. Let's glue these phrases into your memory with a few silly images. Silly is efficient. Your brain enjoys chaos. Picture a calendar stamped every day with
સામાન્ય રીતે.
that is the usual pattern. Imagine a pie chart that is almost full of one color for
મોટા ભાગે.
See one giant slice dominating the whole pie. 4.
મુખ્યત્વે
4.
ઘણા કેસોમાં
Imagine many file folders on a desk. 4.
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં
Imagine almost all those folders glowing the same color. 4.
અપવાદરૂપે
Imagine one golden cup among ordinary cups. 4.
વધુમાં વધુ
Imagine a counter rising and then smacking into a ceiling. Gentle ceiling, educational ceiling. Fast quiz, no dramatic music needed. Time for a quick challenge. Answer in your head or out loud. If you get one wrong, congratulations, you are learning. How do you say, as a rule, in Gujarati?
સામાન્ય રીતે
How do you say, mostly?
મોટા ભાગે
How do you say, predominantly?
મુખ્યત્વે
How do you say, largely?
મોટા ભાગે
How do you say, in many cases?
ઘણા કેસોમાં
How do you say, in the majority of cases?
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં
How do you say, exceptionally?
અપવાદરૂપે
How do you say, at most?
વધુમાં વધુ
Your final speaking challenge. Now you do the work. Tiny work, but still work. I believe in you and your slightly dramatic pronunciation. Say, as a rule, I drink tea. Start with.
સામાન્ય રીતે
Say, I mostly work from home. Use.
મોટા ભાગે
Say, the audience was predominantly students. Use.
મુખ્યત્વે
Say, the work is largely finished. Use.
મોટા ભાગે
Say, in many cases, practice helps. Use.
ઘણા કેસોમાં
Say, in the majority of cases, this works. Use.
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં
Say, exceptionally, we are open today. Use.
અપવાદરૂપે
Say, at most, 10 people can come. Use.
વધુમાં વધુ
Friendly wrap up. You made it, and nobody even had to chase you with grammar charts. That is a beautiful success. Today you practiced.
સામાન્ય રીતે
For as a rule.
મોટા ભાગે
For mostly and largely.
મુખ્યત્વે
For predominantly.
ઘણા કેસોમાં
For in many cases.
મોટાભાગના કેસોમાં
For in the majority of cases.
અપવાદરૂપે
For exceptionally, and.
વધુમાં વધુ
For at most. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in your own sentences. Little by little, your Gujarati will grow beautifully.